Well, hi guys, Mark here. I've got the Eskute F100 mini folding electric bike to review for you today. So let's start off with unboxing. So let's see how this comes from the factory, see how much assembly is going to need to be done on it. So nice strong box, no damage done. So I'll just quickly grab the camera just to show you the inside of the box. So as you can see, everything's very well packaged. Lots of polystyrene. Right, so there's quite a few cable ties that need cutting. There's your seat. The bike's nice and small and light, so I should just be able to lift it straight out. No problem at all. That's good. Nothing else in that box, so we'll just put that to one side. So what we'll do is we'll just remove all these cable ties and polystyrene, and then we'll see what we've got. Okay then, let's take a look around this lovely Eskute F100. So just starting off with the price, these are currently £429, which I think is very good value for money for what you're getting here. I will put the link in the description for you. Comes with a very smooth, quiet, silent running 250 watt rear hub motor, 15.5 miles an hour, so all UK legal, can be de-restricted in the menu. So you're going to get around about a 30-mile range from this little bike. So it's quite a small battery, but if you're sort of careful with the power, you should get about 30 miles, which is pretty good. So it does have a folding feature, so I will show you that in a minute with the bike folds there, and then the bars fold down as well. That's really good. So to fold this, we do have folding pedals, which is convenient as well. So just undo the locking mechanism, pull up the locking pin, that breaks it in two there. And same with up here, slide the pin. And that folds the bars down. So quite simply, you're going to fold it like that, and like that. And you can just pick it up quite easily. So absolutely ideal for putting in the back of your car. Comes with a handy phone holder with a USB-C connector up under there to keep your phone charged while you're riding. Nice LCD display there. It's small but very clear. You've got your speed, trip, odometer, different power assist levels, 1, 2 and 3. You've got your lights there. Hold plus to turn the lights on. You've just got a convenient little headlight there. No rear light. Disc brakes front and rear, which are cable operated, more than powerful enough for this little bike. So with these little mini bikes, they come with mini wheels and tyres. On this you've got 14-inch by 2.125 tyres, but they roll really well. Very smooth, very quiet. It does have a suspension seat, and it's got quite a wide range for riders. 4'11" to over 6 foot tall can ride this, so it's good for all different heights. Weighs in at 21 kilograms, so nice and light if you need to pick it up and put it in your car. Comes in this light blue and also a grey. Nice little bell. Grips are really nice and tactile with a nice bit here for your palms. Doesn't come with a throttle in the box, but it does have provision, a plug there to fit one if you want to. Extremely comfortable seat, very well padded there. It's sprung as well, so it's a sprung seat with a suspension seat post, so it's a very comfortable ride even though it hasn't got suspension. But a great little choice if you're looking for a little mini folding electric bike to use for town work, go to the shops on, put in the back of your car, that sort of thing. Anyway guys, let's do the test ride, shall we? So we're just down here at a very windy, blustery Poole Harbour today. So we're going to try out this lovely little mini e-bike. So very, very comfortable seat. Hold the M button for a couple of seconds to turn it on. Starts off in assist level 0, no pedal assist. So we'll start off, give it assist level 1. Away we go. So this is a cadence sensor and the power comes in straight away. So very, very quiet out the back. And do you know what, for a little mini bike, this is really lovely to ride. The grips feel nice, it's smooth, it's very comfortable, it's perfectly formed, really nice. So about 9 miles an hour in assist level 1 there, into assist level 2, that's more like it. Nice, sort of cruising along at 12. Great thing with these little wheels is they really dart about, they're great fun. So about 12 miles an hour into assist level 3, and you're up to your 15 or so miles an hour, so that's good. Just pop it down to assist level 2. Quick brake test. Yeah, they're good. Bedding in nicely. Got our little bell. Convenient phone holder, which is nice. Charges as well. Obviously this is a single speed, no gears. But if you needed a little city commuter, something small, not expensive, just to put in the back of your car, take on holiday with you in the caravan or the motorhome, that sort of thing, this would be just the job. So far I've been very impressed with this little F100. It rides really nicely. So we're just on a little track and trail now. You know, it's not really a bike for off-road because of the little tyres and wheels, but do you know what? On light tracks, smooth tracks and trails, this rides absolutely lovely. It's very, very nippy. It's great fun. What makes it comfortable is that seat. Very padded suspension seat with springs. So it makes a very nice, smooth ride. Rolls well, you can't even hear the motor out the back. These tyres are pretty decent even on the gravel. So if you have to do a little bit of light track and trail on the Eskute, you certainly can. This is absolutely brilliant. So all good there. Right, let's see how it handles quite a steep hill. I've got it in assist level 3, the maximum. So I'm just giving it a little bit of power for my legs, but the bike's doing the rest. And you know what? This is doing really well. 12 miles an hour with virtually no effort from me, going up quite a steep little hill. So that's quite impressive for a little bike. Up into 3, nicely zipping along now at 15 miles an hour, no problem at all there. That's superb. Yeah, those brakes are fine. So, so far, I'm really impressed with this. So I've done 5 miles on this so far. And you know what? I could ride this for another couple of hours, no problem at all. Right, we'll just try it up another hill. Try it in assist level 2 this time. I've already tried it in assist level 3. Let's see what it's like in assist 2 going up this hill. This is a bit longer, this hill. Still doing well. Still doing about 12 miles an hour in assist level 2 up here. And I'm virtually putting no effort at all through the pedals. So that's zooming up here. So very, very impressive little bike this for hill climbing. So yeah, for me assist level 2 is nice, just cruising along. You're going to get a decent sort of range out of that. But so far I've reviewed a lot of these little mini bikes. This one is really sweet. It's fun to ride, comfortable, decent power and speed. It's just really nice to ride. Very quiet. There's no squeaks or rattles. So that's great. So we'll just have a final look around here, guys. So there you have it, the Eskute F100 mini folding electric bike. Great fun, great value for money. Really enjoyed that. So just starting at the top here, that little LCD display is small, but you can see all your info there. Really nice. Assist levels, speed, odo, trip and battery. Good that it's got the phone holder. I like that, with a charger incorporated. Really nice grips, very nice tactile rubber with the bit there for your palm. Obviously folding design, folding bars, folding frame, so very convenient there. Little wheels and tyres, but they roll really nicely with little resistance and very smooth and quiet with the rear hub motor. Makes for a very pleasant ride. Paint works nice on it. So obviously your batteries in there. Comes with your front and rear mud guards. Convenient little side stand. Folding pedals. Front headlight only. Very, very comfortable seat there. You could ride this all day. Padded, sprung and suspension makes for a nice ride quality. So there you go, guys. There's the Eskute F100 mini folding electric bike. Please post your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this, and I'll catch you in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. All the best. Bye for now.